with iron nails. So we're gonna put at least 2 nails inside of the bottle. We're going to fill up these bottles with different materials.
These materials will be uncooked rice, water, air, salt water and oil.
Rust is an iron oxide, a usually red oxide, formed by the redox reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water or air moisture. Several forms of rust are distinguishable both visually and by spectroscopy, and form under different circumstances. For this experiment, you will be filling up 5 bottles with different materials. For the first bottle, you will be filling it up with air. For the second bottle, you will be filling it up with rice. For the third bottle, you will be filling it up with water. For the fourth bottle, you will be filling it up with salt water. And for the fifth bottle, you will be filling it up with water and oil. And of course, for this experiment, you will be needing 10 nails that will rust. It has already been 24 hours. Let's check on the nails. Let's check the first bottle. The nails that were in the bottle of air, as you can see, there has been no changes or rusting that have happened under the 24 hours. In the bottle of rice, there also has not been any change to the nails and no rusting. In the bottle of water, as you can see, the nails have already started to rust, and the rust particles are making the water less clear. In the salt water, the nails have only started to rust at the top of the nails. The nails in the water and oil only have started to rust at the tip of the nails. So overall, for 24 hours, the nails that rusted the most were submerged in the water, and the nails that rusted the least were inside air and rice, and the nails that rusted a little was inside the salt water and the water and oil. It has already been 48 hours. Let's check on the nails. First, the nails inside the bottle of air. As you can see, it has only started to rust at the top of the nails and at the bottom. Next, the nails inside the bottle of rice. It has only slightly begun to rust, but not as much as the nails in the other bottles. For the nails inside the bottle of water, it has already fully rust from the top till the bottom. For the salt water, the nails have only rust at the top and not fully the bottom. For the nails inside the water and oil, it has only started to rust in the part of the water and not much at the part of the oil. So overall, for 48 hours, the one who still rusts the most is the one with water, but the rest only have rust a little. It has already been 72 hours. Let's check on the nails. First, the nails inside the bottle of air. And it is still only rusting at the top and at the bottom of the nail, not fully the middle. For the nails inside the bottle of rice, it have mostly only rusted at the top and have not rusted as much as the nails inside the bottle of water. The nails inside the bottle of water. Of course, they have rusted the most and have rusted fully from the top to the bottom. The nails inside the salt water. It have only started to rust at the top and not until the bottom. For the nails inside the water and oil, it have only rusted in a part of the water and not in a part of the oil. So overall, the nails who rusted the most was in the water. The second was the nails that are in the water and oil. Third are the nails that are in the salt water. Fourth is the nails that are in the rice. And fifth is the one in the air. It has already been 96 hours. Let's check on the nails. First, the nails inside the bottle of air. And still, the nails have only rust at the top and at the bottom, and have not rust in the middle. For the nails inside the bottle of rice, it have rusted a lot, but not as much as the nails inside the liquids. The nails inside the bottle of water have rusted the most and have rusted fully from the top to the bottom. The nails inside the salt water still haven't rusted at the bottom but have fully rusted at the top. For the nails inside the water and oil, it has fully rusted at the part of the water but have not rusted at all in the part of the oil. So overall, for the last day, the one who rusted the most was the nails inside the water. Second is the nails inside the water and oil. Then nails inside the salt water. Then the nails inside the rice. And last, the nails inside the air. These are the results from our experiment. As you can see, the nails that have rusted the most were the nails that were inside the bottle of water. As you can see, the whole nail have rusted. The next that rusted the most was the nails inside the bottle of salt water. As you can see, there has been color change and rusting that has happened throughout the nails. The third that rusted the most were the nails inside the bottle of air. As you can see, there has been rusting at the top and at the bottom of the nails. The fourth is the nails inside the bottle of rice. There has only been color change inside on the nails. And last is the nails inside the oil and water. There has not been any color change, but only has been a little bit of rusting at the bottom.